We want what's best for our kids. The problem is that kids spend way too much time with technology that isn't looking out for them. There's too many screens with too many distractions, not enough creativity and learning, and definitely not enough privacy. Meet Chatterbox, the world's first build-it-yourself, program-it-yourself smart speaker for kids. Think of it like an Amazon Alexa, but one focused on privacy that kids can build and teach to bring their creativity to life. Our simple step-by-step instructions make problem-solving fun and hands-on. Building Chatterbox is as easy as building a paper airplane. The visual skill builder helps kids learn about artificial intelligence while easily programming voice skills. Kids can set up magic words to control lights, message grandparents, and craft their own interactive story adventures. Anything is possible. Chatterbox is a fun, personal, and private way for kids to develop important communication, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Our team's collective experience has built educational software and hardware products used by millions of kids all over the world. We're parents, educators, designers, and developers committed to making learning fun again. We've been testing Chatterbox in Silicon Valley's top schools with tons of success. Parents love it, teachers love it, and most importantly, kids love Chatterbox. We're ready to share Chatterbox with the world. We need you and the rest of the Kickstarter community to help us meet the manufacturing requirements to make it happen. Please support us in bringing Chatterbox to kids all over the world.
Hi, I'm Chatterbox, ready to learn. Back our Kickstarter today.